7 Best Natural Cough Remedies. What's in a cough? Generally speaking, coughing is perfectly normal. A cough can help to keep your throat clear from phlegm and other irritants. However, sustained coughing can also be symptomatic of a number of conditions, such as an allergy, a viral infection or a bacterial infection. Sometimes a cough isn't due to anything related to your lungs. Gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD) can also cause a cough. You can treat coughs due to colds, allergies and sinus infections with a number of over-the-counter medicines. Bacterial infections will require antibiotics. However, for those who prefer to avoid chemicals, we've listed few home remedies that can help. Number 1. Honey. Honey is a time-honored remedy for sore throat. According to one study, it can also relieve coughs more effectively than over-the-counter medicines that contain dextromethorphan, DM, a cough suppressant. You can create your own remedy at home by mixing up to 2 teaspoons of honey with herbal tea or warm water and lemon. The honey does the soothing, while the lemon juice can help with congestion. You can also simply eat the honey by spoonful or spread it on bread for a snack. Number 2. Probiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms that can provide a host of health benefits. While they don't relieve a cough directly, they do help to balance your gastrointestinal flora. Gastrointestinal flora are the bacteria that live in your intestines. This balance can support immune system function throughout the body. Evidence also suggests that lactobacillus, a bacterium in dairy, can reduce the likelihood of a cold or flu and sensitivity to certain allergens, such as pollen. Fortified milk is a great source of lactobacillus. You should be cautious, however, as dairy may make phlegm thicker. You can also purchase probiotic supplements at most health food stores and drug stores. Each supplement manufacturer may have different daily recommended intakes. Probiotics are also added to some yogurt types and are present in miso soup and sourdough breads. Number 3. Bromelain. You don't usually think of pineapple as a cough remedy, but that's probably because you never heard of bromelain. There's evidence to suggest that bromelain, an enzyme found only in the stem and fruit of pineapples, can help suppress coughs as well as loosen the mucus in your throat. To enjoy the most benefits of pineapple and bromelain, eat a slice of pineapple or drink 3.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice 3 times a day. Number 4. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves are well known for their healing properties. Menthol in peppermint soothes the throat and acts as decongestant, helping to break down mucus. You can benefit by drinking peppermint tea or by inhaling peppermint vapors from a steam bath to make a steam bee. Add 3 or 4 drops of peppermint oil for every 150 milliliters of hot water. Drape a towel over your head, and take deep breaths directly above the water. Number 5. Marshmallow. Marshmallow is made from Althea officinalis perennial that flowers in summer. The leaves and roots of the herb have been used since ancient times to treat sore throats and suppress cough. There are no well-controlled studies to support these claims, but the herb is generally considered safe. The marshmallow herb contains mucilage, which coats the throat and soothes irritation. Today, you can get marshmallow root as tea or capsule form. The warm tea can be soothing to a cough that's accompanied by a sore throat. Marshmallow root is not recommended for children. Number 6. Thyme. Thyme is used by some for respiratory illness. One study suggests that the essence extracted from thyme leaves mixed with ivy can help relieve coughing as well as short-term bronchitis. The leaves contain compounds called flavonoids that relax the throat muscles involved in coughing and lessen inflammation. You can make thyme tea at home using 2 teaspoons of crushed thyme leaves and 1 cup of boiling water. Cover the cup, sleep for 10 minutes and strain. Number 7. Salt and water gargle. While the remedy may seem relatively simple, a salt and a water gargle can help soothe a scratchy throat that causes you to cough. Mixing 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt with 8 ounces of warm water can help to relieve irritation. Note that children under age 6 aren't especially good at gargling. It's best to try other remedies for this group. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.